Boom and Crash Spike Detector is magical indicator. You can see the accuracy of Spike Detector on Crash 300 index. Every indicator have almost 60% accuracy, but Spike Detector have almost 70% to 80% accuracy. I can't catch every spike because it's not possible. I'm working with a specific strategy from last 4 years, and I'm show you how it's perfect indicator for everyone. You just need to know smart money concepts, relations of equity and lot size. If you have patience, you can make money daily. No indicator is 100% accurate in any market. Mostly indicators have almost 60% accuracy. In the same way, Boom and Crash Spike Detector have almost 70% accurate. With strategy, you can see around 80% to 90% accuracy. Now I will use less than 10% margin of my account and catch spike easily. If anyone want to learn how to catch spikes with Spike Detector with minimum risk, so you can contact me.